Welcome to the University of Roehampton. We're linking with partners in Singapore, Vancouver, Moscow, Philadelphia and Los Angeles to put on a unique event, the Digital International Creative Arts Therapy Symposium. Roehampton is a campus university in the southwest of London with 4 colleges set in 54 acres of parkland. It is London's greenest university. At Roehampton, we're in the unique position of being the only university in the world that offers professional training in all the arts and play therapies. We have art psychotherapy, music therapy, dance movement psychotherapy, drama therapy and play therapy postgraduate programmes. Our Centre for International Research in the Arts and Play Therapies has an emphasis on interdisciplinary collaborations and is led by the UK's first Professor of Drama Therapy, Anna Seymour. At Roehampton, we consider the inclusion of digital technologies vital to delivering best practice in teaching and learning. We maximise the potential of all our arts therapy students by combining face-to-face seminars, lectures, practice-based experiences in schools, hospitals and prisons, and students' engagement in their own artistic modalities, and support these with a comprehensive, virtual, online environment. But our interest in the digital is not only about finding effective ways to enhance students' learning. We seek to empower students to critically engage with digital technology and think about the opportunities, challenges and impact it may have on our health and well-being. We're very much looking forward to welcoming you in London or online.